Hello anime lovers. Let's see how you can watch your favorite anime on your smartphone for free. Let's go. So one important thing before I enter inside the app, as this app is illegally streaming anime, this app has been deactivated or deleted by Google many times, but no need to worry. As soon as this app, the old app is deleted, a new app is being replaced by the old one. So let's enter the app. Like you can see here, this app has been deleted from Google Play. Please install new app available on Google Play. Now you will be taken to their new app. If enter OK, so you are taken to Google Play Store, and if the new app is available, it will be shown here. But we are lucky that still we can use the old app, just putting their code number. Enter OK. Here the old app is still available, but if this old app is deleted, you saw, you will be taken to their. It is really satisfying to see how wonderfully this app is categorized. Like we are seeing the recent sub, all the sub anime, the recent sub anime is listed here. If you don't want to see sub, we are also getting the option to see dub anime as well. All the recent dub anime is listed here, the latest one. And another good thing is, if you are new in the anime world, you are getting all the recent popular anime in one place. Just you scroll down, you will get all the recent popular anime in one place, and you will also get the sub and dub version of the same anime. And another interesting thing is, you will getting the anime movies in the same app, so you don't have to go in another app just to see anime movies. You are also getting all the latest and the old anime movies that has been released in this list. If we enter in one of the anime, like the Naruto Next Generation, it is the recent popular anime, one of the recent popular anime. You will get all the latest episode, like this one, the episode 260 has been released recently, and it has been updated 2 days ago. And you will get all the old and updated episode in one place. And if you enter to watch the anime, there is a surprise for all of you. The surprise is this one. You can also download the anime from this app. So how cool is that? Also you can watch this online as well. You can, the quality is around 720 to 1080p, sometimes depends on your network connection. And also there is lots of server here. If you finding any difficulty in one server, you can immediately switch to another server just to watch the anime. So all over, this was a summary of this app. The most important thing is you are getting all the recent and old anime in this one place. You can watch the anime totally free, and you are also getting sub and dub version as well. And the important thing, you can download anything you want and you can watch it offline as well. That's all for today. See you in the next video.
Awesome. Subscribe now.